Hi, I'm Chris, this is Sam.
And we're going to show you around York.
Sam,
Yes, Chris?
this is kind of boring.
Yeah. Stop.
Yeah, we could do that. We could show you some drone footage, some music playing with a voiceover, but that isn't how you really see a city.
And we want to show you the real York.
Right now, let's go.
It's off to the Minster. Chris, what do you think?
I think that's the biggest cathedral I've ever seen.
What's the smallest one you've ever seen?
Shut up.
It's £10 a ticket to get in.
Let's go.
We are standing on York City walls, which was first built in 71.
1871.
71.
71 AD.
71 AD.
Sweeties.
You more of a fudge man or a toffee man?
Fudge every time.
You're a liar. That's toffee.
Clifford's Tower, the largest remaining piece of York Castle.
Get down!
Chris, you love birds of prey, don't you?
I actually ate birds.
Cover of some magazines.
He's so angry. York's also pretty small, so everyone knows everyone around here.
Do you know him?
No.
What about him?
No. We're in York's ancient museum gardens, and nothing can make this any better, can it, Chris?
Ice cream?
Oh, it's dripping.
We're here on the Shambles, a 14th century market street. Also the inspiration for Diagon Alley in the Harry Potter films. Very cool.
This Harry Potter shop it's perfect. Nothing can make this any better. Nothing.
Ice cream.
Sam,
Yes?
what are York's best 3 pubs?
The Punch Bowl, Three-Legged Bear, The Hop, and the Guy Fawkes Inn's good too. The birthplace of Guy Fawkes.
Shall we go?
Yeah. Cheers, mate.